Hello friends, welcome back to Commerce Byte YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain a problem on process costing. Problem number 7. Narmada manufacturers process a product, baby food, through three distinct processes, the product of one process being passed on to the next process and so on to the finished product intact. Intact means immediately. The following expenditure was incurred. So he is giving expenditure of process A, process B and process 3. He is giving the expenditure. And the next thing is the overhead expenses for the period amounting to rupees 3600 and is to be distributed to the process on the basis of labor. There was no opening stock in any of the process at the beginning or at the close of the period, assuming that the output was 1000 kgs. Output was 1000 kgs. Input and output both 1000 kgs assume. Show the process account A, B, C, indicating also the unit cost per kilo under each element of cost and the output in each process. If 10% of output is estimated to be lost in the course of sale and sampling after completing of the finished product, at the time of sale they are assuming that 10% is lost. 10% is estimated. They are estimating that 10% will be lost. What should be the selling price per unit so as to provide a gross profit of 10% on selling price? If they want 10% profit on selling price, how much, at what price they have to sell? At what price if they want 10% profit on selling price, at what price they have to sell the product? What is the selling price? So for this we will see what is the procedure. We will see how to do the problem for this. Yeah, now see here. So first process account. So you can take a screenshot of this problem. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this. See here, you can take a screenshot. Yeah. So now process A account. First, to raw material 1000 units, cost 1000 rupees. To labor 500, to direct expenses 150, to overhead expenses. He is telling overhead expenses to be apportioned in the ratio of labor. Labor is, so for first process 500, second process 600, third process 700. So it is 5:6:7. So total overheads amount is 3600. So 3600 into 5/18, it is 1000. So now by process B 1000 units. So here we have to find the value. For finding the value we have to find cost per unit. So cost per unit is equal to, formula is total cost minus normal loss cost divided by total units minus normal loss units. Here there is no normal loss cost, there is no normal loss units, so I am not writing that. So 2650 total cost divided by total unit 1000. So it is 2.65. So multiply 1000 into 2.65, it is 2650. So here total debit and credit tally. So this is process A. In the same way we have to do for process 2 also. In the same way we have to do for process B also. So from process A, how much amount we brought from process A? 1000 units, 2650. To raw material 800, to labor 600, to direct expenses 250, to overhead expenses 3600 into 6/18, it is 1200. By process C 1000 units. Here we have to find the value. Just I wrote here, but after finding the cost per unit we have to multiply that cost per unit and we have to we will get this value. So cost per unit is equal to 5500 divided by 1000, it is 5.5. So 1000 into 5.5, it is 5500. This is process B. Now process C. So process C also same procedure, and here I got cost per unit is equal to 8100 divided by 1000, it is 8.10. Now actual part starts. So after completing the finished product, he told that however 10% unit lost in sale and sampling. So that means at the time of sale they lost 10% of their units. So thus units on which cost could be, means 10% they lost at the time of sale. So how many units will be there now? 1000 minus 10%, that means 1000 minus 10% means on 1000 we have to minus 10%, so it will be 900 units. Now effective price, what will be, the previous price is 8.1, now what will be the effective price? Total cost 8100 divided by units, now not 1000, now it is 900 only, so it will be effective price is 9 rupees. This is a cost price, but we want selling price. For selling price he has given some conditions. So now cost 9 rupees and he's telling profit 10% on selling price. On selling price we have to add 10% profit. We don't know the selling price. For that a small formula I am using. Cost plus profit is equal to sale. That is cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. So he's telling 10% profit on selling price. So 10% profit on selling price. So I'm assuming selling price is 100% on that 10% profit. So here 90 plus 10 is equal to 100. If you see the equation, here 100, here 10 means this will be 90. So we know the cost price. So for 90% 9, we require selling price 100% we require. So 100% how much? So it will be 100 into 9 by 90, that is equal to selling price 10. So selling price is equal to 10 rupees. Selling price is equal to 10 rupees per unit. So this is a problem number 7. So I hope you like the video. Thank you.